All right, this is a brief tutorial on how to add an image to your email signature. For this example, today we are going to be adding the NMPCTC's 10-year anniversary logo to our email signatures. So go up to the top right on the toolbar, click the gear, that's the settings, and in the settings search bar, go ahead and type signature or email signature. Okay, from there, go ahead and click the email signature tab that pops up, and it'll bring up the text box that has your email signature. So you likely already have something there. You might have the old logo. So go ahead and delete that old logo and leave everything else. And then what you can do is on the toolbar right underneath, go all the way to the left where you have that little picture and it says insert pictures inline. Go ahead and click that. Okay, from there, select the NMPCTC's email signature image, click upload, and you're all set. So the image has already been sized perfectly for an email signature. You shouldn't need to adjust it at all. Now I like to go one step further and I like to select the image and then I click the link option there for insert link and I'll enter the NMPCTC website's URL. Okay, so that just makes it so that when I send an email to anyone, if they click that logo, it'll take them directly to our website. If you hover over the image, you should see the URL there. Then you can go ahead and click save. And you can go ahead and close this box. And if you go over to compose new email, you should have the logo there and you should be all set. All right, so let me know if you have any questions and I will do my best to help you out.